There are two main methods for making shower trays. We can have acrylic surface or gel coated surface. Both of these types of trays are generally backed up with a stone resin structure. Stone resin trays can be either gel coated or acrylic. Let's start with the gel coated method, and time for you to start using your imagination. Think cakes, think St. Patrick's Day, think green icing. To make it green, you first start off with the cake, which comes out of the baking tin, and then you apply the green icing. The difference with the gel coated shower tray is that you first paint the inside of the empty baking tin, the mold, with the colour you want, and then you put the cake mixture, the stone resin mix, in. When it is cured and you remove the tray from the mold, there you have it, voila, a gel coated shower tray. To make an acrylic shower tray, you start off with a flat sheet of acrylic sheet. You apply heat to soften it, you place this over the top of a tool, which is the shape of the shower tray, and then you apply a vacuum to suck out the air, and then that takes the shape of the aluminium tool below, the shape of the shower tray. You then take this skin, turn it over, and pour in your stone resin mix, and there you have it, your acrylic shower tray. Next, we will discuss different methods to make these shower trays anti-slip.